In this video, I'm going to be comparing the two ice fishing bags made by Vexan. We have one hard bag here and we have a soft bag. Now there is some subtle differences, not a whole lot, but I'll go over both bags, and by the end of the video you should be able to tell which bag might be the right one for your ice fishing trip. Now if we're looking at size, the hard bag is 35 inches long, the soft bag is 36 inches long. Now obviously the soft bag can collapse down fairly small, but the hard bag is going to be 12 inches wide and about 8 inches deep. Now as far as quality goes, both of these bags are very high quality. The zippers are very tough, the material is tough, they're very well made. If you want to compare them to like Eskimo, Clam, or some of the other aftermarket brands, these are some of the higher quality bags you can get. Now in my opinion, there's two main reasons why you prefer the hard bag over the soft bag. If you have expensive rods and reels, they are more protected in this hard bag. They're going to be surrounded by foam. And let's say a buddy's going fishing with you, you got your hard bag in your truck, and he throws in some of his stuff right on top of your hard bag. Your rods and reels are going to be protected. Not so much in the soft bag. The second feature that I really like with this hard bag is it can be worn like a backpack. So let's say you got a kid or a couple kids with you, they're going to want to carry some stuff as well. You can throw this on like a backpack and they love carrying this out on the ice. That's one feature that this does not have, is there's no backpack carry. It does have a shoulder strap, but the backpack carry to me is a big plus. Now as far as storage, they both have a large storage pouch across the front. You could put hats, gloves, tackle, all kinds of things in both of these front storage pouches. On the back side of the soft one, you have a mesh bag and you have two other zippered pouches. On the back side of the hard box, there's nothing there because it is a backpack carry. One other nice feature about the hard bag, it has this pouch down here that holds a couple tackle boxes. And these two tackle boxes actually come with the hard bag. Now you could put these in one of these pouches here on the back of the soft bag. You'll have to get some smaller tackle boxes. But once again, let's say you're going fishing with a buddy. This is laying in the back of the truck. He throws some of his stuff in. Maybe his auger lands on here. It's probably going to crack your tackle boxes. Not going to happen with this hard bag. A rod and reel combo like this, where this total reel is about 4 inches in width, it's not going to fit well in this soft bag at all. It's going to bulk that soft bag out. You're only going to be able to probably store about 2 of these wide reels in there. Now with this deep pocketed foam core, this fits right down in the hard case. Top view of the hard case. As you can see, that deep pocket inside that foam, that's how you can fit those big reels in there. Now depending on how big your reels are will depend on how many rod reel combos you can fit in here. Small reels you can probably get about 8. If you have some of these larger reels, you're looking at about 5. Now additional storage on the hard case are the mesh pockets on each end. Right there, right here. Both have Velcro so they can securely store whatever it is you're going to put in there. Now both bags also have kind of a little hook strap on the back side. So if you're just going to store these in your garage, drive a nail into the wall or put a hook, and these easily hang on the wall. Now no matter which one of these ice fishing bags you choose, either one should last you a long time as long as you take some care of it. Both have a lot of great features. It's just going to depend on your fishing. If you're just going out by yourself, maybe just get the soft bag. It takes up a little less room. You don't have to carry so much stuff. If you're going out with a family, let's say it's husband, wife, and son or daughter, you may want the hard bag. Carries a little more stuff. If you have real high quality, expensive rods and reels, I definitely would go for the hard bag. Offers a lot more protection, comes with lots of storage, and comes with the 2 tackle boxes. Whichever one you choose, hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you found this video helpful and informational, and thanks for watching.